Hello everyone. In our previous videos, we delved into the three primary approaches that define the foundation of our field. One of these is the linear effect oriented approach, which has held its prominence for a significant period and still holds influence today. This perspective centers on the anticipated effects of mass media communication, essentially exploring the potential power of the media. Now let's delve deeper into theories falling under the linear effect oriented approach and explore how these concepts evolved throughout the 20th century. As we trace back the dawn of the 20th century, a time when scholarly thought firmly recognized the media as potent forces in the realms of politics, economics, and society as a whole, the 18th and 19th centuries are notable for their practical demonstrations of the media's persuasive prowess. During this era, the individuals were immersed in a diverse media landscape with various channels looking for attention. Prominent among these were print media sources like pamphlets, newspapers, and magazines, each competing to capture the audience interest. This period was marked by the discovery and engagement of new audience segments. Political parties that emerged in the 19th century quickly garnered devoted followers as the new century began. Their media outlets established a loyal readership base, effectively serving as the party's voice and a platform for spirited media debates with rival parties. Press freedom took center stage during this era, a concept viewed as vital by politicians for the media to fulfill its role as the fourth estate, a check and balance on government authority. This perspective led to the inclusion of press freedom in many constitutions worldwide, affirming its significance in shaping societies and their interaction with power structures. As we transitioned in the 20th century, the recognition of media's significance solidified. This era witnessed the consolidation of theories that underscored the media's capacity to shape public opinion and even sway political decisions. Scholars and thinkers like Walter Lippmann and Harold Lasswell significantly contributed to this narrative, emphasizing the media's role in constructing perceptions, influencing behaviors, and directing the course of society. Lippmann, known for his groundbreaking work, Public Opinion, explored how media acted as the primary conduit through which the public connected with complex issues. He proposed the concept of stereotypes, suggesting that the media provided simplified narratives that allowed individuals to navigate the overwhelming amount of information they encountered. Lasswell, on the other hand, presented his influential model of communication, highlighting the who says what in which channel to whom with what effect framework. This model reinforced the idea that media played a crucial role in transmitting messages from authoritative sources to the masses, shaping opinions and potentially inciting actions. World events, particularly the two world wars, highlighted the media's power in mobilizing public sentiments. Governments utilized propaganda extensively to rally support for their causes, reinforcing the media's influence on public perception and even national identity. In the mid 20th century, television emerged as a dominant mass medium, further amplifying the media's sway over the masses. The televised political debates, such as the Kennedy Nixon debates in the United States, showcased how visual media could shape public perceptions of candidates and their policies. In a sense, the linear effect oriented approach evolves to encompass intricate theories that highlight the media's capacity to not only inform but also to shape attitudes, behaviors, and societal norms. The media's role as a powerful tool for social influence continued to gain prominence, with scholars and practitioners exploring how different mediums, messages, and delivery methods impacted audience responses. So, as we proceed in this course, we'll unpack the various nuances within the linear effect oriented theories, examining how media messages can wield significant power in molding public perceptions and actions, with implications extending to the present day.